Bigin by Zoho CRM features, strengths, weaknesses. Bigin is Zoho's CRM solution tailored specifically for small businesses looking for a straightforward sales pipeline management tool without the complexity of a full-fledged CRM like Zoho CRM itself. Its core features revolve around contact management, deal tracking, and basic workflows. Think of it as CRM Lite. You get contact organization, deal stages, activity tracking, calls, emails, tasks, and workflow automation to move deals through the pipeline. Key selling points include its multi-channel communication, integrating email, phone, and social media directly into contact records. You also get basic reporting, giving you visibility into deal progress and sales performance. Who is Bigin for? Primarily startups, micro businesses, and solopreneurs who don't need the extensive customization and features of a larger CRM. It excels in simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for teams just starting to formalize their sales processes. Now, let's talk strengths. Its biggest strength is its user-friendliness. The intuitive interface means minimal training is required, allowing teams to get up and running quickly. The pricing is also very competitive, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious businesses. Integration with other Zoho apps is seamless, which is a huge plus if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. However, Bigin does have its weaknesses. Its simplicity can be a limitation for growing businesses that require advanced features like complex reporting, marketing automation, or inventory management. Customization options are limited compared to Zoho CRM, which may restrict its adaptability to specific business needs. Another area where it falls short is in its third-party integrations. While it integrates well with Zoho's suite, the number of integrations outside of Zoho is more limited. Finally, while the reporting is adequate for basic needs, it lacks the depth and granularity of more robust CRM reporting tools. In conclusion, Bigin by Zoho CRM is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking a simple, affordable, and easy-to-use CRM. It provides essential sales pipeline management features and integrates well with other Zoho applications. However, if your business anticipates rapid growth or requires advanced CRM functionalities, you might quickly outgrow Bigin and need to consider a more comprehensive CRM solution like Zoho CRM, Salesforce Sales Cloud Essentials, or HubSpot Sales Hub. Carefully assess your current and future needs to determine if Bigin's simplicity aligns with your business requirements.